Nice day, isn't it? Sunshine, all our best friends, and not a mosquito in sight. Let me show you why. This is the Dynatrap Mosquito and Insect Trap, and it's the reason we're all outside having fun instead of hiding inside. Here's how it works. A warm UV light interacts with a specially coated surface to produce CO2, like we exhale, which attracts mosquitoes and other flying insects. Then the whisper quiet fan pulls the insects into the catch basket, trapping them and breaking their breeding cycle, so they can't ruin our afternoon. We just place it a little ways away from people and a few feet off the ground in insect flight paths. We put it out in the spring when it gets warm and let it run 24/7 through the end of the season. It's easy to plug in and turn on. It works outside, rain or shine. We just empty it periodically, and we only have to replace the bulbs every 4 months or so. With Dynatrap, every day is a backyard day.